Hi all, welcome to Univom. Today we will discuss about IIT JEE 2021 main exams. So now the examination announcement is already on and the online portal is open, and hence we will have a detailed discussion of IIT JEE 2021. So online submission of the application form, it starts from the December 16 to January 16, 2021. Right? December 16th, 2022, January 16th, 2021. You need to note this. The last date for paying the fees is 17/1/2021. So please don't wait for the last date. So it is a good idea to complete the process as soon as. Now, if you want to do any corrections in the entered particulars, say for example the street name, the spelling mistake and all those things, whatever you have, if there is some correction, you can do that between 19/1/2021 to 21/1/2021. So this is for the February session. So please note, you can do some correction even if the last date is over. Now you can download the admit cards from the NTA website in the second week of February. So that is for the February session, right? Because your exam is on 19th. Your examination date will be on February, but you can do the admit cards downloading on the second. So the examination sessions, this time the wonderful thing is the examination will go for 4 sessions. That is February, March, April and May. So very interestingly, you can appear for all the 4 sessions or any 2 sessions, or you can wait to get to the marks of the February session. If you are satisfied, you need not appear for March. And if you are not satisfied, you can appear for March, April and May. Good choice is given and it's really good for the students. So timing of the examination, there are 2 timings mentioned. One is the first shift from morning 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock and the second shift is from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So it is all up to our convenience. This is the number of sessions. There are 4 sessions I have mentioned. You can apply for all the 4 sessions and you can check the marks first and then you can go for the second session or not. It is all up to your decision. So this is very interestingly, this time you have 4 choices to score more and more and more marks. I will give you few notes. So please note the 4th session is on May and that is the last examination for this academic year. And see, the fees also can be carried forward to another session. Say for example, if you have registered for March session, but you don't want to appear for March session, you can update your application and you can appear for the April session or May session. So that kind of choices are given. Note 2. So in the note 2, say in case of a candidate does not want to appear in the session for which the fees has been already paid, so you can apply for a refund, right? But you can apply for a refund during the application process only, not like any time you can apply for refund, right? Say for example, if the portal is open for March session and you have paid it before, then you can apply for the. So note 3, the candidates who can only apply for JEE Main 2021 in the online mode only. No other modes are encouraged this time. So please make sure you apply online. To start with, the steps to apply, the first one is you need to have an email ID and a mobile number. So the online registration starts with the email ID and the mobile number. Is like you need to fill the online application form and you need to enter all the particulars regarding your application, and then the system will generate an application number. you need to note that application number. For any future communication, you can do it through this application generated online. Okay, step 3, we need to apply only with the scanned images. The scanned images, the first one is the recent photograph, and in the photograph it should be maximum of 200 KB size, then only the system will accept. And the second point, your signature, you can do the signature and you can scan it, or now the electronic tabs you can do the signature, but make sure that it is less than 30 KB. And the duly verified result awaited attestation form, like you are appearing for the 12th examination, pre-university or whatever it is, so you need such a form also. Then the category certificate, if you belong to any of these, you need to submit the category certificate. But the scanned image of the category certificate should be only 300 KB. Also, you need to have a physical disability, means you should have a certificate for that. So the mode of the examination is only through computers, right? The computer based test is there. That is the mode of the examination. This time there is no pen and paper examination. Then the good thing is the implementation of national education policy that plays a main role here, that this time the JEE main is conducted in many languages: Assamese, Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. This is the first time, and along with Hindi, Gujarati and English. So it is a good chance for the regional students. You can write in your own language. Nice. Thank you for joining in NIVOM. Good day.